Hello guys, good day. My name is Karma Kasling and today I am going to discuss the Rizal in Ateneo de Manila. Rizal transfers to Manila when Jose Rizal was 9 years old. His parents sent him to Binan to undergo formal schooling in basic curriculum on that generation, the 4RS. So, ang meaning ng 4RS is reading, writing, arithmetic, and religion. He followed a regular daily routine, attended to his studies, and excelled in them. So, pasar niya no, yung mga studies, no? Besides taking formal lessons in Latin and Spanish, Rizal availed himself of the service of a local painter in order to improve his talent in the field. He soon became one of the best painters of the school. So si Rizal no ning kuan pud nang besides sa pag-take niya og Latin ug Spanish, niabel siya services sa local painters. Sa nabulahan siya, so siya nahimo siyang ng best painter sa ilang school no. Before Rizal reached his 11th birthday, he was sent to Manila and enrolled at the Ateneo Municipal, a college under the supervision of Spanish Jesuits. Ateneo's first name was Escuela Pia. So ang meaning sa ang first name sa Ateneo kay kuan day Escuela Pia, which name was changed to Ateneo Municipal and later became Ateneo de Manila. On June 10, 1872, he took the entrance examination on Christian doctrine, arithmetic, and reading. His father wished him to study at Letran, but changed his mind and decided to enroll him at Ateneo. Father Magin Fernando, the college registrar, refused to admit Rizal because he arrived late for the registration. So si Father Fernando no, wa siya musugot ni Rizal kay na late siya. And he was sickly and undersized for his age. Bata pa si Rizal para sa pag-college niya. However, with the help of Father Manuel Burgos, he was admitted at Ateneo. Gitabangan siya ni Father Burgos para makasod siya sa Ateneo. No? Jose was the first in his family to adopt the surname Rizal. He registered under the name Ateneo because their family name Mercado had come under the suspicion of Spanish authorities. Jose boarded in a house outside Intramuros in Caraballo Street, just 25 minutes walk from college, where Ateneo was once located. So, board si Rizal board si Rizal sa Intramuros sa Caraballo Street. 25 minutes from sa college, The Ateneo students were trained on the system of education given by Jesuits. Rigid discipline, character building, and religious instruction were given emphasis. Class in every subject was open and closed with prayers. On the first day of class in June 1872, Rizal first heard a mass at College Chapel and went to his class. Rizal's first professor was Father Jose Beach. So si Father Jose Beach ang unang professor ni Rizal na. Being a newcomer and knowing little Spanish, Rizal was placed at the back of the classroom. A late enrollee as he and one of whose the class has extreme hints. He was assigned to the Carthaginians. After the first week, Jose progressed rapidly in a month time. However, he was at the head the class emperor. So, siya mo dako dito, no? He spent long hours of reading. He loves for books. Grew tremendously. He asked his father to buy him a complete set of Historia Universal. Kanang Historia Universal is mga history sa ilang university ba, by Cesar Canto, which he continuously read, and the Count of Monte Castro by Alexander Dumas. He was only 12 years old when he made these demands. It would seem Rizal had a feeling that he had since birth been chosen for an exalted mission. Bata Diyos Rizal no, maayo na jud siya. This may have only fantasy, but his behavior relation to the realization of the mission was a reality. From the time he entered Ateneo, he lived a well-organized life with discipline and strictly followed study method and work schedule of the system which he maintained all his life. Nindot jud iyang anito na kay organize iyang kinabuhi, well disciplined o strict jud ang pag-follow sa iyang studies. He trained himself for a sacred apostolate. He must conduct himself with excellence. Dapat jud excellent jud yang permi yang mga liyak no, yang mga buhaton niya. During his first semester studies at Ateneo, he won the prize in a contest for religious picture. So sa first sem niya sa first year, so nakadaog din siya sa iyang gibot nga religious picture no. He spent his noon recess in taking private lessons in Spanish at Santa Isabel College. So kada recess siya hapon nang kuan siya privado niyang mga lesson about sa Spanish dito sa ng Santa Isabel College. In his second semester, Rizal did not try hard to retain his scholarship. He resented some remarks of his professor and placed second, although his grades were still marked as excellent. Kasi excellent yung mark. Nothing usual happened in his second year term. He studied hard once more, became the emperor. So, balik sa siya kampiro, o sensis mga dako-dako sa silang room, no? At the end of the school year, Rizal received excellent grades in all subjects and a gold medal. Grabe si Rizal. Tungod sa iyang pag-study niya, work harder sa maayo. Na-receive niya, na-excellent siyang all grades niya, gold medalist ulit siya. In March 1874, he went to Calamba to spend his summer vacation. So, pag March 1874, yadto siya Calamba para dito niya magkuha niyang bakasyon, no? On June 16, 1875, Rizal went back to Ateneo as an entertainee. Yes. Rizal resumed his studies with vigor and zest. He topped all his classmates in all subjects and won 5 medals. Grabe si Rizal, no? Kung siyang paningkamot yun, top siya sa yung mga classmates yung gilampusan dayon kadaop siya 5 medals. He returned to Calamba for his summer vacation in March 1876. So pag March 1876, balik siya sa Calamba. Rizal returned to Manila in June 1876 for his last year in Ateneo. His studies continued to fare well. He was considered to be the best and most brilliant. So, siya mo pinaka-the best nila sa ilang eskwelahan, no? On March 23, 1877, Rizal received the degree of Bachelor of Arts, a high school certificate, with a grades rated excellent, and he had 5 prizes and several awards. At 16, the young graduate was a mature man. His scholastic records at Ateneo from 1872 and 1877 were as follows. So, kani ako ipakita guys, muna ang mga grades niya sa pag 1872, 1877 sa atin.
University of Santo Tomas. Let's learn more about Jose Rizal's experience as a student at the University of Santo Tomas. After graduating at the highest honor from Ateneo, Rizal, who was only 16 years old, enrolled at the UST, taking the course of philosophy and letters because he was still undecided, and also his father liked the course as well. He also took up vocational course in surveying and passed the final examination at the age of 17, but could not be granted for being underage. But the title was issued to him on November 25, 1881. And now, let's find out who was Jose Rizal's first love. Segunda Katibak is Rizal's first love, but it turned out that she was already engaged with Manuel Luz. Rizal made a pencil sketch of her. The affair progressed without any pressure on the part of Jose. She broke up with her fiancé, and they continued seeing each other under very proper circumstances. Let's forward to Rizal as a student of medicine. When Jose visiting his mother Doña Teodora at Calamba in 1878 during Christmas vacation, his mother could hardly recognize him because of her eyes suffering from cataract. These circumstances led him to shape the orientation of his studies, which is medicine. At the start of the school year of 1878-1879, he registered as the College of Medicine as the UST. Leonor Rivera. During the year 1879, the gallant lover Rizal visited many ladies in Manila society without seriously committing himself to anyone. One afternoon, he went to visit his uncle Antonio Rivera, who had a boarding house in Manila. He was accompanied by Pasiano, his inseparable brother, and Rizal decided to stay in the house as a boarder. There, he met his cousin, Leonor, daughter of Antonio. Antonio, his double uncle and possible father-in-law of Jose, played an important role when he favored in 1882 the departure of his nephew for Europe. And now, let's proceed to the A Poet is Born to People. In 1879, the Liceo Artístico Literario de Manila held two contests, one for the Peninsulares and another for the natives. Rizal decided to submit a poem entitled A la Juventud Filipina. It won first prize, consisting of a silver pen. This poem urged the Filipino youth to hold its head high, for it is the fear of hope of my motherland. On this third year, 1880 to 1881, Rizal entered the contest and submitted a piece of entitled En Concilio de los Dioses, and got the first prize with a gold ring at the age of 18 years old. During Christmas vacation of 1881, Rizal received a letter in Calamba from Leonor Rivera with the signature she usually used, Times. Jose Rizal was unhappy of his medical studies at the UST because the Dominican professors were hostile to him. Because of this, Rizal failed to win high scholastic honors and decided to study in Spain after finishing fourth year of his medical course. And that's all. Thank you. Thanks for listening.